guys, I went and finally found a thing. It's been a few weeks since this has been out. I haven't driven this car more than 13 miles in the last 2 years. It's a damn shame. But I finally got rid of my Shelby distraction. And now it's time to give this thing some life. So let's see if we get her fired up. It does not like cold. The tune is messed up. Well, the air compressor is running, so that's still a good sign. Let's go see if the brakes are stuck, if this thing moves, you know, if it still has round tires. This thing's running pig rich. I can smell it like crazy. Can't wait to get the data logger on and then get her figured out and see what it's doing. Gotta pick up all my stuff, put the covers in, put all the stuff away, get her home for the summer so we can start tearing her down. Here we go, let's see if it moves. Got kind of a tight fit here. Really tight fit. First time out of the garage since last summer. July, or April actually, when I brought it over here. So over a year it sat in that spot. I'm gonna go put the other truck away. Check out this sweet ride. Finally, I just got it. 359 miles. Better not back it into anything. Yeah. Well, I wonder if this thing's got any old life left in her. Let's go see if she's roadworthy. We're about a 35-minute drive home. neutral swap is it's always in neutral. Try and do a quick rip. Let's see what it does. Well, there you have it, guys. We made it back from the first drive. Tires are a little flat spotted. The alignment is totally fucked, which doesn't make any sense since it was fine when it parked. But gives me a place to start looking. First things first, probably we'll get it all working again. See if we can get the tires balanced and maybe, or get new tires, and then start trying to put a wideband in so I can data log properly and get a tune and get figured out why this thing's going all haywire.